Back again. Same place, same time. When I was coming down on the highway, when I was just about to enter it, I never knew it would be like this. And I have a lot more road I could take. And I take it, look how long I'm still here. Anyway, just sit back, watch, share, like, comment and subscribe. I could give you different contents, but sometimes you guys have to come in, comment and tell me. I don't know what you like, so just comment. Tell me what kind of traffic I could come and give you guys, right?
So they're talking about...
Okay, people, I'm at Eglinton now. Just leaving No Frill. So, as I say, I have to go pay my storage rent. It's due. You want to follow me? Alright, just sit back. That's a fire truck heading somewhere. Going up on Eglinton.